Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I am Emma, your guide to a more fluent life.
And I'm Sam, the guy who is tired of his brain being a translator.
Today is the big one, Sam. We are teaching you how to think in English.
Is that even possible, Emma?
Not only is it possible, it is the secret to real fluency.
Because translating in your head is too slow.
Exactly. By the time you translate, the conversation has already moved on.
I know that feeling all too well.
This is a massive 30-minute deep dive marathon.
So if you want to break the translation habit,
Hit that subscribe button for the Lingo Listen.
grab your notebook. Let's train your brain.
Let's look at why your brain translates first.
Yes, why does it do that?
It's because your native language is your safe zone. Your brain wants to feel comfortable.
So it reaches for the words it knows best.
Exactly. But we need to make English comfortable.
How do we build that new safe zone?
Step 1. Start with single words.
Just one word at a time?
Yes. Look around your room right now. Don't say the word in your native language.
Okay, I see a window.
Good. I see a lamp.
I see a chair.
Do this all day long. When you eat, think apple, bread, coffee.
This creates a direct link.
Yes, from the object to the English word. No translation middleman.
What if I see something I don't know?
This is a very important moment, Sam. Don't look it up in your native language.
Then what do I do?
Use your phone to take a picture of it. Later, search for that image in English.
Oh, so I learned the visual and the English together.
Exactly. Visual learning is faster than translation. Step 2. The daily play-by-play.
This is what athletes do.
Narrate your life like a movie.
Sam is waking up.
Now I am brushing my teeth.
I am making my breakfast.
I am looking for my keys.
Do I say this out loud?
You can, but the goal is to do it in your head.
This sounds like a constant mental commentary.
It is. It keeps the English motor running.
What if I get stuck on a sentence?
Keep it simple. Don't try to be Shakespeare.
I walk to car.
Perfect. Simple is the start of fluency. Step 3. The guessing game.
When you're in public?
Yes. Look at two people talking at a cafe.
And imagine what they're saying in English.
Give them characters and emotions.
He is telling her about his dog.
She looks happy about the news.
They are planning a trip.
This builds your creative English brain. It forces you to find words for feelings.
Step 4. The 5-minute review.
At the end of the day, before you close your eyes to sleep.
Review my whole day?
Yes, in English.
Today was busy. I went to the bank.
The weather was nice. I had lunch with Mark.
I finished my work. I felt tired.
This is like a mental English diary. It is the most powerful exercise you can do.
It helps me process my life in English.
Precisely. Let's look at step 5. Changing your environment.
You mean like my phone settings?
Yes, change your phone to English.
That sounds scary. What if I can't find things?
You know your phone by heart, Sam. You will learn settings, update, and storage.
Delete, share, post.
These are words you see 100 times a day.
It makes English part of my utility brain.
Exactly, not just a study thing.
Now let's talk about passive immersion.
Step 6. English background noise.
Even if I'm not paying attention?
Yes, put on an English podcast. Play the Lingo Listen while you clean.
My brain absorbs the rhythm and sounds.
It's like a bath for your brain.
Step 7. Think in phrases, not words.
This is the big secret. Don't learn the word decision.
What should I learn?
Learn make a decision.
Ah, the whole block of words.
Go for a walk, have a coffee.
My brain doesn't have to build the sentence.
Right. It just grabs the block and goes.
This makes speaking so much faster.
It's like using Lego bricks instead of making each individual brick.
Step 8. Talk to yourself. In the shower? In the car?
Yes, out loud.
What should I cook for dinner tonight?
Maybe I will make some spicy chicken.
Talking out loud helps your mouth catch up.
It trains your muscles and your brain at once.
Step 9. Don't aim for perfection. This is where I usually stop.
If you worry about grammar, you will start translating again.
Because I'm trying to find the perfect rule.
Just speak, even if it's broken English.
I go store now.
Better than saying nothing. Fluency comes first, grammar comes later.
That is so encouraging.
Now, step 10. Stop using bilingual dictionaries.
You mean English to my language.
Yes, delete those apps.
What do I use instead?
Add English to English dictionary.
Like Merriam-Webster or Oxford?
Yes, look at the definition in English.
It forces me to learn new English words to explain one word.
Exactly. It keeps you in the English bubble.
Let's do a brain training drill.
I will give you a feeling. You give me a thought in English.
I'm ready.
You are excited.
Wow, this is great. I can't wait. It's so fun.
You are confused.
Wait, what? I don't understand. Can you repeat?
You see? No translation, just instant reaction.
It feels like a different part of my brain is working.
It is. It's the direct response center.
Let's talk about emotional mapping.
This is step 11. Assign an English word to an emotion.
When I am happy, I think joyful.
When you are angry, think frustrated.
This connects English to your soul,
It makes English part of your personality.
not just a school subject.
Now, step 12. Read out loud.
Books, articles,
Anything. Just let your ears hear your voice.
it builds a feedback loop in the brain.
Yes, your brain hears you speaking English. So it thinks, oh, I am an English speaker.
It's like hacking your own identity.
Step 13. Watch English movies with English subtitles.
No native subtitles?
Never. That's just reading your own language.
But if I use English subtitles,
You connect the sound to the spelling. Your brain sees the word thought.
and it hears thought.
It builds a very strong mental map.
Step 14, the shopping list challenge.
Write your lists in English.
Milk, eggs, flour, apples.
When you are in the store, think in English.
Where is the bread? I need green tea.
This is English in action. It's very practical and very easy.
Step 15, the news summary.
Read a short news story.
And then,
Try to explain it to an imaginary friend.
in English, of course.
There was a big storm in New York today.
Many people stayed home. It was very cold,
This helps with summarizing thoughts.
which is a key part of thinking.
We are halfway through our 2,600 words, Sam.
I can feel the fluency growing.
Let's look at step 16, visualizing success.
Like a dream?
Yes, imagine yourself in a meeting. You are speaking perfect, fast English.
I can see it. Everyone is listening.
How do you feel in that dream?
Confident, proud, powerful.
Hold that feeling. Your brain loves success.
It will work harder to make it real.
Step 17, using fillers.
Like and
No, use English fillers.
Actually, to be honest,
You know, I mean,
this gives your brain time to think.
but it keeps the English atmosphere.
If I use a filler from my language,
Then the English bubble pops.
so keep the sound of English going.
Well, let me think about that.
That's an interesting question.
Perfect. Those are lifesavers.
Step 18. Listen to music lyrics.
Don't just listen to the beat.
Try to understand the story, right?
Yes, sing along.
Singing helps with the flow.
It's the ultimate rhythm training.
Step 19. English memes.
Yes, humor is advanced thinking.
If I can understand a joke in English,
Then you are definitely thinking in English.
jokes are all about cultural context.
Exactly. It's the highest level of connection.
Step 20. Be patient and kind to yourself.
Some days will be hard.
Some days I will forget every word.
That is normal. Just go back to step 1.
Single words.
Chair, table, lamp.
It's a journey, not a race.
We have covered so much ground today.
2,600 words of English training.
Your brain is already changing.
I feel like I'm not a translator anymore.
You are becoming a thinker.
And that is the goal of the Lingo Listen.
We want you to live in English.
Not just study it.
Thank you for staying with us.
You are a dedicated student.
If you enjoyed this marathon,
Give us a huge thumbs up
subscribe for more 30-minute deep dives.
and share this with one friend.
Let's help everyone think in English.
Tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite English filler word?
Mine is actually.
Mine is basically.
We want to hear yours.
Until the next time,
Keep thinking,
keep listening.
keep speaking.
Goodbye.
See ya.